Hello student, welcome back. Now I am going to start the another paragraph. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault. Mr. Jones, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." In this line, he was telling that the county inspector said that Margie was getting bad marks in geography because the machine was not working properly. It was gauged in a higher level. Those things happens. Sometimes I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. In this, he said that sometimes machine malfunctioned and that is what had happened. He had slowed it down and set it to the pace of a learner of 10 years of age. He said that Margie was learning at a good pace. He again patted Margie's head in order to cheer her up. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. In this, the narrator was saying that Margie was sad because she did not want to learn, she did not want to study from the machine, and she wanted that the inspector should be take it away. Margie is reminded of the time when Tommy's mechanical teacher had been taken away for repair for almost 1 month and he was enjoying his time. As he did not have any teacher, it had been taken away because the history portion of the machine that taught the history subject had been wiped out. So the mechanical teacher did not have any memory of it and had to be taken away for repair. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. "Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago." In this, he was saying that we know the reason for Margie's dislike for school. So she asked Tommy that why would anyone write about school? Tommy was looking at Margie with superior eyes because he knew something that Margie was not aware of. He said that Margie was silly because she did not know that many years ago the school was not the kind they had. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, "centuries ago." Margie was hurt. "Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago." She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." In this, Tommy wanted to stress on the time period and said the centuries ago the school were not like the ones they had. Margie was hurt at Tommy's behavior and she said that she did not know what kind of schools they had centuries ago. She was curious and imagined a group of children being taught by a human teacher. She looked over Tommy's shoulder trying to read the book and said that perhaps that had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. A man? How could a man can be teacher? Well, he just told the boy and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. In this above lines, Tommy is referring a machine to as a teacher because that is what they are used to. That is the teacher they had. a machine. He said that it wasn't the machine, it was a man, human being, who taught them. Margie could not believe that a man was a teacher because she had always seen a machine doing that. Tommy tells that the man who taught the class discussed many things with the students, gave them homework, and then asked them different questions based on it, just like the mechanical teacher did. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much I. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. In this, the above line, Margie said that a man teacher is not as smart as the machine teacher. Tommy asked Margie not to underestimate the human teacher. He said that he is as knowledge compared as the machine. He compares the machine to his father and says that his father knows as much as his machine teacher. Tommy could bet on it that the human teacher knew as much as a mechanical teacher did. Margie did not want to discuss this further and added that she did not want a strange man, the human teacher, to come to her house to teach her. Thank you, students. I hope you understand this paragraph.